Hey guys, welcome to the channel. There's Kevin Street.
On the other side.
So this road had a sign there when we turned on it. I'm glad it did because it's kind of scary, but it does say primitive road. Go down this road at your own risk. We're definitely taking a risk going down this thing.
But that one that looked like a freaking canyon is just like, come on in.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
No risk at all. Bring your Civic.
Please close the gate, but come on in. You're welcome. This one here, you want to enter at your own risk because it is rugged.
I mean, there is. You see right up there, it's a little bit uneven.
Well, I'm on an off camera right here, kind of.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's kind of scary.
Yeah. Is that why you have your turn signal on?
Well, I had that on so you know I'm going to turn.
Oh, okay, yeah.
In about 2 miles.
Yep.
You just like it because I'm in front now. You can do that.
Well, it's funny because you just did it back there too.
You're turning off of a primitive road, and they're telling you that's a primitive road.
There's another primitive road.
Yeah, making sure you know. They waste more money in signs around here than. It's ridiculous what the.
It's crazy what they consider primitive.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, I think it's just people's inability to drive. People have gotten so bad at driving that they're just like, hey, anything that's not absolutely perfect, we have to warn people about, because if we don't, someone may go a mile per hour faster and die.
That's true. It's like I've said, I mean, when they have to put a label on the battery telling you not to drink the battery acid, you know, the world's getting bad.
Yeah. I think we don't even need those labels. I think we just let it roll.
Yeah, everybody, we'll weed out the gene pool.
Yeah.
We'll weed them all out.
Just let them go.
Yes.
I just let God receive them up there, and he'll just be like, you poor thing, I'm sorry.
Yeah. We don't have to worry about population control. They'll take care of themselves if you take all the warning labels off.
When I was adding, you know, your personality traits, I forgot to add a little bit of IQ in there.
Yeah.
That's my bad.
You drink battery acid. Look at there, another sign.
Yep.
Caution. It even says caution right there on the where you turn on the flat dirt road.
It is crazy. I'm telling you.
Use caution.
And well, and like I said, it's not like they don't even use them on the really rough ones. Like the road that we take turning off of the splits all the way across town that we took today, following the telephone poles.
Right.
No signs. No signs. But on this normal road, it's like, oh, you better watch out.
Oh, we're coming out here at the auto zone.
Oh, yeah.
That's where you get in the zone right here.
What is this, dog and cat? Is this a vet clinic? Oh, it is. There's a veterinary hospital out here. I don't understand why. Like, I thought we looked up. Maybe they're just not 24/7 when we looked it up. We needed to take Sora.
There's Jaguar Fitness.
Yeah.
In case you want to go there.
We did.
Oh, did you? You guys been there?
Yeah, I didn't care for it. Too much working out.
Yeah. I understand.
I was over there sweating, you know.
Hang on. We got some speed going now here.
In fourth gear.
Turn on this one.
All right, here we go.
Uh-oh, I don't know what we're getting into down here.
I'll say, you may have made a mistake. Now, this is all new, though, because they built the Circle K and stuff. So I bet all this road down here is brand new.
It says Golden Acres. There's a cul-de-sac down here.
Yeah.
This is for old people.
Golden Acres is the place to be, I hear.
Yeah. Golden Acres.
City living is the life for me.
Yeah.
Land spread it out so close and narrow.
What's that? Thunder Mountain Church, I guess. Oh, yeah, it's church. Look at this. You believe they got a cul-de-sac in there in the Sierra Vista?
You mean a roundabout?
Roundabout. Yeah, that's what I meant. Sorry. I don't know why I'm saying that. I guess because it's round. Yeah, but why they got a roundabout here? Way off out here.
I do not know.
I don't know if they spent a lot of money on this dude.
Yeah, holy cow.
I guarantee you there's a lot of money invested in that.
That is legitimately the nicest roundabout.
Yeah, that's fancy.
It's probably the nicest intersection in town besides the brand new ones they built.
Yeah.
over at the beginning of Fry.
Off-road park.
They're building a lot of stuff out here. What are they doing here?
It's an off-road park for us.
I bet this is just going to be another
New housing and stuff.
Housing area, because you can see the lifted areas where the plots are.
Yeah. I smell that smell. The smell of a smelly smell.
One thing about Sierra Vista, if you haven't noticed, is you can't go a road apart without finding another church.
Yeah.
I mean, there are every single kind of church you could possibly think of, they got a church.
You can take your pick here.
You absolutely can.
Uh-oh. Dead end.
It's also a lot easier to have that many churches when you have this many people. It's a little harder back in
no dirt bikes, no ATVs
Cassville.
allowed. This is private property.
No dirt bikes. Just road bikes only.
Well, this ain't a dirt bike or an ATV.
Yeah.
It's a trail bike.
You can get by on technicalities.
This thing is extreme trail ride.
That's what I call it. I say I'm riding a technicality.
That's right. This is a technicality. What are you talking about?
Now, these houses aren't as nice as the other ones that we were looking at a while ago.
Most of them are like trailers. They're all trailers and double wides. Even like this is a double wide.
Well, I've never been over on this part of town.
It's not fancy enough for you ritzy people.
Tell you.
You living in this trailer trash.
I got to get back to my croissants.
That's what people call me. I live in the RV, so we're trailer trash.
Yep. I got to get back to my croissants and caviar.
Oh, yeah, you fancy people.
Yep.
Swimming pools, movie stars.
Yep.
Oh, there's Green Acres. It's a place to be. No solituding.
Is that another church?
No.
What is that building? Is it
That's
just like a
Green
rec center?
Acres.
But what is it? Is it like a rec center?
I have no idea. It don't look like a wreck to me. It looks nice.
Well, it's just weird because it's got if you looked in the front door, it was just like one big open area. So it's like, oh, it must be a prison. Look at that basketball court. That's a prison basketball court.
Prison?
Well, look at it. One side doesn't even have a goal.
Well,
it broke off.
Well, they gotta have goals.
Yeah. That is a big dog. Holy cow.
Oh, it's a dog.
Yes. Holy dog.
Holy dog. Holy dog, Batman.
Got a dog the size of a cow.
It's a cattle dog. That's what it is. Now this one says no outlet. And it is no outlet. You'd think somebody'd be smart enough to see the sign says no outlet and not turn on it.
Well, you never know.
I mean, but it'd take somebody that's smart enough too. That's my problem.
Wait, there's a drive right here. That's a road.
No trespassing. Yeah, there is an outlet. It goes back up out of the street.
Road.
False advertising. False
Yep.
advertising. I think you ought to sue the people.
Just because, yeah. Not even for any reason.
A nice yard there. Black
Yeah.
gravel.
It's crazy how people will have just like a nice yard that will naturally grow grass. And like, I'm just going to put rocks.
Yeah. Well, because they don't want to mow it. They're kind of like me. I don't either.
Oh, that's true. Good point. Yep, fair enough. And I'm lazy, so I agree with them. I changed my mind. That's who I am.
It's nice not having to mow that grass. I really like it.
It is nice. Yeah, it is nice.
Forget, Kevin, my buddy in Exeter, he's like, I enjoy that. Well, you can enjoy it. I like not mowing grass. Forget that junk. I don't mind the mowing is bad.
I didn't think about that. I didn't think about my laziness.
I don't mind mowing is bad on the riding mower. It's the weed eating.
I don't mind mowing on the rocks until it breaks my windows.
My son Scott, he despises weed eating.
So I hated weed eating on the hill.
He hated that hill.
It ain't so bad weed eating. It's when you're weed eating on a super steep hill. That's what sucks.
That hill, he had to weed eat there. You can't even stand up.
Yeah, you literally, half the time I was almost like crouched over trying to hold the weed eater
and you're
up.
falling down, slipping your feet out from under you.
Well, and that stupid hill was it was pretty wide, so doing the whole thing, I mean, it's just a pain in the butt.
It did suck. Trust me, when you left, I had to do it.
Well, and not only that, but if we went too long without weed eating it, it was awful because it would grow up that really thick stuff that was almost like freaking celery when
Remember
you cut
when we first bought the place, you guys had to do that whole hill and it was brush.
Yeah.
And had to clear that hill off.
No, you remember, it wasn't even, we didn't even use the normal weed eater. We used the saw attachment because it literally, we had to cut stuff with a saw.
Yeah, because it was brush. It wasn't weeds. It was growed up.
And like I said, if you let it grow up at all, it was like almost, you know, that stuff is almost like celery when you cut it. And I'm telling you, you get drenched in that crap. I mean, it absolutely drenched you in the freaking juice that comes out of that stuff.
Yeah,
when you cut it with the weed eater.
Told the boys, said you better off do it now. I mean, it's just barely grown up a few inches, but it'd be easier now than later.
Yep. And
it's a lot
every
easier.
Time.
And if they put it off, they had to pay the price.
It's crazy. It's literally easier to weed it 3 times than to wait.
Hang on, here we go around the cul-de-sac that looks like a roundabout.
Yes. It's crazy that that's a new roundabout, and there's already tire marks all over the center of it where somebody ran over the center of it.
Yeah, people miss them.
There's 2 lanes. How much traffic is over here that you had to run off the side of it?
It's kind of like when they put in a bank and they put those poles where you go through the drive-through part.
Yep, somebody already hit it.
The first day, somebody hits the poles.
What is crazy is, like, I asked somebody about that one time. I was like, you'd be surprised. People hit that stupid thing every day.
It's stupid.
Like, people are awful at driving. It's crazy. It's mostly, it's not even that necessarily people being bad drivers inherently. It's just complacency. They just don't think.
Well, they're not bad drivers. They just can't drive.
Right. That's what I'm saying.
Dang, that McDonald's.
Man, that McDonald's smells good.
I'll stop in there and buy me a sandwich.
Yeah, for $8.
Yeah, it's cheap. That's why I was saying it's a bargain. I want to stop and get one.
It's cheaper to buy a rack of ribs.
Oh, they have racks of ribs?
I kid you not.
Probably right there.
I could probably get, at this point, a rack of ribs on sale for cheaper than a McRib meal.
Oh, yeah. And
I'm not even kidding.
That McRib ain't got nothing to do with ribs.
No. But I'm just saying, like, it's like, I'll pay $12 for a McRib meal at McDonald's for a large, or you can buy a whole rack of ribs for $10. $8 on sale.
So where does Buffalo Soldier Trail go to the right?
I don't know. That is new. I don't know. I don't know where they built this out to. Because this used to be a dead end.
It may be. It's dirt.
I mean, it's still not a road yet, or like it's not paved.
Private road, it says.
Probably owned by electric or something, maybe. I don't know.
Private road, but it don't say keep out. Hey, this ain't that place where that gate is it? Because there's them power poles, ain't it?
I don't know.
Maybe it ain't the same ones. No, because that was by the mall.
Well, there's
this is it. Buffalo Trail. I mean, Buffalo Soldier is by the mall, right down there. But this ain't. Look at that whirlwind or Dust Devil.
Yeah, Dust Devil.
That's
a 4-wheeler up there?
4-wheeler or something kicked it up.
Look at these big old buildings out here. What are they building? That's not a house.
That's a big old dude. Oh, that ain't no house. That 4-wheeler moving on.
He's creating Dust Devils.
Oh, kidding. He is a hot rod.
He's probably saying the same thing about us on these mopeds.
Well, he sees us, he'd probably be scared.
True.
Look at that thing. Don't even need no plastic on there.
I mean,
what do you need fitters for?
I'm pretty sure he bought that thing for Mad Max.
Yeah, it looks like a Mad Max thing.
It looked like a Mad Max 4-wheeler. Sucker had spikes on the back.
We're going to get off here. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Lots more videos coming. Catch you all on the next one. Right on.